We have another example. In cell 1 we are going to have high, in cell 5, in cell 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Make sure that you are going to group the highs in order to make biggest group as is possible. Okay, make sure that you are going to have many highs as possible in one group. So I have one group of 8 ones, and I have group of 4 ones, and I have group of 2 ones. This is the proper grouping for this problem. Let's start from the biggest one. The biggest group is placed in 2 rows and 4 columns. At the side of these 2 rows, the common variable is A. That's why I'm going to write only A for this big group. Keep in mind that if you are going to group a lot of ones together, your term is going to be very short. Let's take a look at this group is placed in 1 column and 4 rows. As you remember, we do not have any common variable at the side of these 4 rows, so simply copy down everything, whatever is at the top of this column. So we have simply C0 D. We've finished with these 2 groups. Let's take a look at this one. This one is placed in 2 rows and 1 column. At the side of these 2 rows, the common variable is B. That's why I'm going to write B. At the top of this column, we have D0. We cannot factorize anything from these terms in order to make this circuit a little bit simpler. So I'm going to simply implement this. We have input A, we have AND gate, C input is connected to the inverter, and I have input D, and I have 3 input AND gate with input B, C and D0. All of them are ORed together. These are the solutions to my problem.